Here's a few tips we use every time we jam out our windows. For these, we're using 1x12 MDF boards, and we'll rip those down to our size that we measure on our window jamb. Come through and rip all your jamb material down so it is flush with your drywall, if not a 1/16 longer than your drywall for your trim to sit on. Little tip, when you're measuring for your jamb depth here, and you measure all four sides, you always want to cut to the biggest measurement. So if this is 10.5 and the ceiling here is 10 3/4, we will rip all our jamb down to 10 3/4. When we come in to jam out a window, we put a mark, you see our little pencil mark, about 1 inch in from the outside of the window. We put it in all four corners so we can keep our jamb with the same reveal the whole way around the window. When building your box, make sure you add the width of your jamb material to your entire measurement to make sure you are long enough and wide enough. We pre-build our jamb box on the floor before we set it. Make sure you get a bunch of these. We'll shoot a nail in before we have any shims just to hold the jamb in place. And then we'll come through and we'll stack shims to match our marks the whole way around the window. Now that our jamb is set on all our marks, we're going to case this window out.